If I go add to that one, I could just say at the same time, she will get the opportunity to do them. Because for that kind of remote village, if you get the opportunity to say she won't come up by herself. Because the woman actually come into the village, ask her what you want to do. You feel say you want to do this thing. And the opportunity just stay for her front. She take them. Because at the same time, because she actually plan say, I want to do this thing. Whether I don't old or whether I be 100 and something or whatever age I be, she don't believe and say, I want to do this thing. So opportunity just come. She grab them. If you ask me, most of the time when people believe say they want to do something, opportunity go just stay their front, but they go leave them. Because they don't get that mindset, say, I know if you do this thing,
or they feel not recognizing opportunity.
They feel not noticing an opportunity. They go just look at pass. And this same way they don't say opportunity come but once. Some people they get and pass once. If they come like 1,000,001 times, but yes, they know they see and be like say something just did their front like this, they block them. Meanwhile, they look on that person own. They envy another person. Meanwhile, waiting you want to do your front for you. I love to say this woman, they're very lucky because she grabbed the opportunity while it lasted. And at the same time, she get that hope and dream. Say, yes, so this thing I must achieve. And really, age no be matter. No age. If it limit your dreams.
I like her mindset. The thing when they inside, you don't they ginger from within. So the thing they hungry am. It gets some people where they don't get the hunger for them. Okay. So even if you say take, they go just they look. Because that thing no even they inside them. She get them. And then like you say, she call opportunity can't jam them. Then the thing can't enter. Na nice. Even me almost cry, say, you don't marry by 11. See, you don't already born 3 children. Your husband they beat you on top because you like
because school. You won't go school.
She even jam so many things for block, but allow them to end the discussion. So I admire her mindset. She tried.
The thing way me I won't say be say this life, the way life God don't create this life, be say anything where you want, anything where you they think, the earth, the atmosphere, everything go they arrange and come your way. You don't do you say you they think of jollof rice like this, and just they think jollof rice. Next thing, person go just work out with jollof rice, or you go just tell you say, I won't go cook jollof rice, or I won't go, that kind of thing they happen. So for me, I just believe say nobody they disadvantage, whether you be blind or whether you they remote village or whether as far as you get dream, as far as you get anything where you won't be for mind, nothing should stop you. This woman don't get 3 pikin. You know how many women in Nigeria where they don't talk, say, after I don't born, everything don't end for me. Especially because a lot of people believe, say, I be woman, what I feel to do, what I feel contribute to society. But as far as you get that dream, if not that salon you won't open them. If you won't learn work, learn the work. But for woman to think, say, because you be woman, you go become liability to society. I know agree for that one. And this woman's story don't tell us everything. She don't do her master's like we talk. She don't remarry. She don't get PhD. So nothing. And look at that village. That village where she did. Very remote. As in the way the team even be right now. I can imagine how the team day when she was young. So nothing fits. Everything go arrange and bring your opportunity your way. And the team be say if the team don't do your mind when they serve the opportunity, you go jump and hand, leg, everything enter.
I tell you. Now when you give that example of jollof rice, waiting just did in my head there. They say I'll just sum up with this law of attraction. Now, waiting you actually think inside, now you go attract come your way. If you talk say I cannot make it, trust me, everybody will come your way. But they tell you say you cannot make it. But if you tell yourself say I can make it, you go see say positive things go there come near you because now waiting you imagine. Or think for your heart now, waiting you go actually attract. All right, I hope say our motivational video motivates one person today. And I hope say you go begin to make a move now rather than sit down, tell yourself, say, I don't get hand, I don't get leg, I don't get eye. So no need to pursue my dream. All right, make we enter our waiting day hot. So plenty stories, the trend over the weekend. And we go start today with D'Banj. Now, D'Banj, popular Nigerian singer D'Banj, and don't come outside reveal why he never married and without a child at the age of 35. Now, he come outside talk saying, I had always thought I would have a child before the age of 30. He said that fantasy, that dream where I get, not come true because I be one strengthening my brand. Now, within D'Banj actually come outside talk, say the reason why he not actually marry now because say him na brand and he want threaten the brand. That's not why he never actually marry. He said, while growing up, there were some goals I set for myself at the age of 35. I don't accomplish most of them. Sadly, I never accomplished the primary goal, wey be marriage. Okay. By now, I think say I go don't marry. But as it be, since I'm strengthening my brand, I never marry. Now, the main question why I want to actually ask us today, for us to put our mouth inside, marriage, they affect person brand? Because we don't see cases, not just D'Banj, don't see cases of some career-driven women where you come outside talk, say, I don't need a man right now in my life. I want to actually focus on my job. So that's now why I ask this question. You feel say marriage actually affects your brand?
I think so. But me, I first tell D'Banj, say I did here. You know?
Can you hear my say?
I quickly just put them out there, say I did here, you know. I don't they like you don't take. You know, I don't they come say. So back to
tell them, advertise that well.
I don't tell D'Banj I did here. I don't fight.
Your height, your hair.
You know, I be 5'10", I be doctor, I did for some talk. So don't worry, we go strengthen the brand together. So I believe say marriage fits hamper. You know, the thing be say marriage as a man, the man go marry, he go marry. Give woman belly, he go they do his own work. But for the woman, I believe say there are certain things. First of all, the fact be say you go carry that, you go get belly, carry belly for 9 months. When the pikin drop, you go still nurse am at least till the child dey 6 months. So that now 15 months out of your life. See Tiwa Savage now. You know, she don't do on the low key because she dey. Although I dey trust say when she bounce back now and the bouncing no go get back to. You know, but the thing be say it all still depend on the person. Yeah. Now for you to tell yourself, say this no go hold me back. You know, for you to tell yourself, say you go find a way to balance it all. Because I know even though the thing be say marriage fit pose, you know, obstacles or challenges, but challenges they. Even when you no marry, challenges they go talk, say, look at respect no day for woman, no way no marry, even man we no marry, or you know, whatever. But at the end of the day, for me, I believe, say, like even as a doctor, many people will be say, all my friends will talk, say, by now, I for don't write primary, I for don't do this exam, do that exam. Many of them marry, get belly, they go tell you, say, when you know easy, you know, to juggle everything. So if you get the challenges, but for you to make up your mind, say, this thing no go hold me back, I go pursue my dreams, you go set time aside. When you finish rearing the children or doing whatever, you go, not true now, you go pursue your dreams.
Me, I no agree. He said because of brand. No be him, they carry the belly and everything.
No, that one big.
No, make we talk, make the band talk the truth. He don't know who to choose. Tomorrow na South African sister, tomorrow na my Hausa sister. May just tell us the truth. He no know which woman he go marry. When you go decide, God will give you the wisdom. The band receive wisdom right now.
Take it.
Receive it. Take it.
I don't see Lucy the wisdom.
Tell me is the wisdom.
Sorry, the band, take your wisdom right here.
Receive me, baby.
They talk about say doctors are the most sharpest.
Jesus, yeah. They grab the band from.
No, but seriously, I don't think say that thing a real problem. Other people when not even reach in mark. Don't marry, don't get pikin. If you they think they wait, you go wait till you no go ever achieve your goal. Thank God just they leave this motivational post. The woman wait, despite everything will happen, she still chase him, she still reach him. So the D'Banj, that excuse is not good enough.
I actually like the fact that you thought say D'Banj, that excuse is not enough. But we still get more to talk about because I know say Amaka gets something to talk about this D'Banj story. When we come back after the break, but don't forget to if you put your mouth inside and to Twitter at Wazobia. We come back. You will talk, don't worry.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.